It's finally here, the Hot Wheels Collector's Ferrari Heritage Set. It marks a new era for Hot Wheels and Ferrari, because from 1970 to 2013, Hot Wheels had already produced Ferrari models before the license expired. More than 12 years later, the time has come again, and the first Ferrari models are rolling in, including this special set for a purchase price of $100 at the time. Let's ask ourselves the question, bad buy or an investment? Here are 3 reasons in favor of a purchase and 3 more reasons afterwards why the purchase is a mistake. Uniqueness. This set symbolizes the beginning of an era for both brands. Both share a passion, have contributed to a great deal of automotive history, and have left their mark on young and old alike. To see the 2 brands reunited is a special event that many have not expected. This piece will stand as a reminder of this special moment and will therefore be weighted differently than normal sets, especially for those who have collected the old Ferrari models between 1970 and 2013. The set should be all the more interesting. Workmanship. For a Red Line Club set of this type, a Hot Wheels set in general, this piece is very well made. The details of the vehicles are spot on, the quality is right, and the workmanship of the materials is also good for a product that can be classed as mass-produced, despite its exclusivity. More on why later. Value. Sure, the $100 is extremely steep, but in terms of price, the offers will become fewer and certainly more expensive in the future. The lowest offers are already at $130 and are open at the top. This is also due to the fact that the set presents a special new chapter in the history of Hot Wheels. The set will be a witness to this moment. But unfortunately, there are also 3 really striking negative points that speak against a purchase. The price-performance ratio. As you can see, the set looks great, but you get very little for $100. Actually, if you are precise, $120, as you still have to add shipping and fees. And to get 2 cars for $120, plus a certificate on a normal card and instructions on what you can do with the cars, is very little substance. Yes, the packaging is high quality at first glance, but of course on closer inspection, it is simple cardboard. The cars themselves, sure, Ferrari always works. Especially when these models herald a new era and look very good, the choice is made for good reason, but not as extremely interesting as, for example, a Ferrari Enzo together with an F40. The 312P was one of the first Hot Wheels models in 1969, and the 499P was already a long-distance winner and a flagship of Ferrari in 2024, but rather marginal models and really interesting in terms of recognition. Everyone knows the Enzo or F40. Of course, these 2 models serve the current theme of the reunion, but even if they look extremely beautiful, they are merely premium models with a special paint finish and not that known as the other big names. And the third important point, limitation. Here it would have been appropriate to limit the sets and label them with stickers as in the past. It is clear that this set is very limited and special, but in this form, we don't know how many were actually produced. The exclusivity that the set actually radiates is lost as a result. What do you think of this set? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like the video if you like it. Feel free to subscribe and activate the bell so that you don't miss any more videos. As always, happy collecting and stay safe. Cheers!